Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you how you can skyrocket your email marketing results this year. Email marketing is extremely important and it's a must for any e-commerce business because email marketing is gonna allow you to convert customers again and again. Email marketing is also very cost effective and it has high conversion rate. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex. I own an e-commerce growth agency and we help e-commerce businesses scale through paid advertising and retention marketing. We have been doing email marketing for quite a while now and we have been achieving amazing results for our clients, as you can see here. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, the first and most important thing is to have a really good pop-ups on your website. Pop-ups is what is gonna allow you to get people in your lists, so later on you can market to them. Some of the most important pop-ups are the main pop-up, which is gonna appear on most of your pages on the website, and is the first pop-up people see when they go to your website. I have a separate video in which I explain how to create high converting pop-ups, which you can find the link to it in the description below. But let's briefly touch what you should include in your pop-up. So first, you need to include what people will get in exchange for their email. Most of the time we use a discount code, which ranges depending on the business, but usually it goes between 10 and 15%. Make sure the discount code can be used only once per customer so people don't abuse it. You also want to give some value proposition on what else people will get from your email. You can mention something like, be the first to know when we release new products and get early access to sales. So when you have a big sale, for example, like Black Friday, we usually give 1 day early access to email subscribers and existing customers. And then we release it to everyone. This is what is gonna make your email subscribers feel valued and that they're getting value out of them giving you their email. Another pop-up that you can create is a flyout form. This is what we use for most of our clients, and the flyout form we basically show it on specific pages. Most of the time is either a collection page or a product page. Let me give you an example with a jewelry client of ours. We have created flyouts for every single collection that they have, and a different flyout appears on every single one of them. So for example, when people are looking into the necklaces, a flyout is gonna appear and it's gonna say, do you like what you see? Get 10 or 15% off your next necklace. When people sign up, they get a discount code and then they go transferred into a list on the backend on Klaviyo. Then we have a flow which is basically targeted to specifically people who signed up through the flyout on the necklace collection. The first email is just delivering the discount code, but then we have created a flow filter, which is going to exclude people who purchased when they were in the flow. But those people who did not purchase after they entered their email, they're going to receive the second one. And the second email is going to say something along those lines. Struggling to decide which necklace to buy? Here are some of our best-selling necklaces, and then you're going to recommend your 6 best-selling necklaces. These flows are working really well for us, and we have implemented for every single collection, like necklaces, rings, earrings, and bracelets. And the last pop-up is optional because sometimes you might get a little bit intrusive and it's an exit pop-up. Basically, this can be done on desktop, and when people go with their mouse towards the exit button, a pop-up is gonna appear and you can make it say, leaving so soon, ? Here's 10% or 50% off your next purchase. That's it for the pop-ups. Next, you need your basic flows, which are welcome series and abandoned cart. Welcome series is the flow that people start receiving after they enter their email into the main pop-up. The welcome series could be used in many different ways. You can educate your customers on the product, you can recommend them your best-selling products, you also can share a little bit of a background story of you and the business. And it's a flow that sole purpose is to educate your potential customers on the product, convert people who never bought from you before, and share your story. The abandoned cart flow is key. This flow is going to get sent to people after they abandon their cart, and usually we use 3 emails in this flow. The first email gets sent 30 minutes to 2 hours after they abandon their cart, then the second one goes after 4 hours, and the third one goes after 24 hours. You can obviously test all of the times, but those are the times that we have found that work best. The first email we use as a reminder of the abandoned cart, the second one we give them a discount code, and the third one we just create some scarcity and we tell people that their cart is gonna expire and they also won't be able to use the discount code. Next, we have campaigns. For most clients, we do send 2 campaigns every single week. When we have huge sales like Black Friday, we send multiple emails during the week, depending on the start and end date. If you have a sale that's going from Thursday to Sunday, for example, you can send an email on Tuesday telling people that you're gonna have a sale that starts on Thursday. Then on Thursday, you can send another email telling people that the sale started. On Friday or Saturday, you can create another email that tells people that the sale is still going. And then on Sunday, you can send the last email that tells people the sale ends today. During the times when you don't have sales, you can send campaigns about new arrivals. You can also send emails educating your customer on the product. You can also send emails with updates and different content emails. Content emails will show your subscribers that they're not there just to be sold, which is going to increase your engagement rates, click-through rates, and results. And last, we have advanced flows. With the advanced flows, as I mentioned earlier in the video, you can create specific flows for each individual collection. If you sell jewelry, for example. The second flow that you can create is an upsell. How it works for our jewelry clients is, for example, someone buys a bracelet that features turquoise stone. After 10 days of receiving a product, we're gonna send another email that recommends different jewelry that features the same type of stone. For example, a necklace or an earrings. You can also create re-engaging flows, which are supposed to engage with the people who have not been opening or clicking on your emails in the past 90 to 180 days. This is again depending on the business. And you can also create win-back flows. Those win-back flows are for people who are engaging with your emails and have bought at least once, but it's been more than 3 months since they last bought. Again, this is very dependent on the business, because if you don't have a product that can get repeat purchases, this flow won't work for you. But yeah, that's about it. And again, guys, email marketing is extremely important. I can't stress this enough. So email marketing, very cost effective, converts very well. You build a list of people who are interested in your product, and you own the actual list. It's not like all of the advertising platforms like Facebook, Google, and TikTok. You own the audience. So it doesn't matter what happens, you have a list of people that you can market who are interested in your product or service. But yeah, that was about it. If you have an e-commerce store and you want to scale it, there's gonna be a link in the description below where you can book a call with me and we can chat about how we can do that. And if you own an agency and you want to scale it, again, there's gonna be a link for you in the description below. Book a slot and let's chat. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe. It really helps me out get these videos out there. If you have a topic that you want me to cover, please drop it in the comments below and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.